So we got some raw chicken hearts, turkey hearts, and some steak raw. It's a little cold. He doesn't like it when it's cold. We'll see if he eats it. Is that better? Mama made it a little warm with some hot water. Good boy.
Alright, so just to verify, the only thing I see is that it's a basic.
He'll be back. He's going to take a piece somewhere else.
Is that correct? Perfect.
Is that good, Bubba?
Just do for me one more thing, or two more things.
And some more? Get some more, Bubba. Get your plate. He always takes pieces away and then comes back. I don't get it.
I think.
Good boy.
Okay. Alright. Just let you guys know, again, this call may be monitored or recorded for more information about privacy.
Get some more. Go ahead. Go ahead, Bubba. Need some more? Get some more. Go ahead. Oh, you're going to eat that one there? Good job. So he's got his little jammies on. We're going to brush his teeth after he's done eating. And then it'll be night-night time. So the paper plate helps him eat slower because it kind of sticks to it. Because in his regular bowl, he eats way, way, way too fast. See if he'll burp. Good boy. Good boy, Bubba. All done. Oh, a little burp. That's it?
Correct.
You want some water,
so
Bubba?
it's all depending on when you guys actually physically activate all three devices. Okay. Now,
and he'll clean his face off and rub on the ground.
Only provides electronic billing and communications. We need you to provide your verbal consent that you do agree to be billed and communicated with electronic on the home side. Okay. Now, by approving this order, you be represented for at least 18 years of age.
Let's brush your teeth. Come on.
Are the holder.
So we're gonna brush his teeth now.
In reference to your email as well, that you guys will get all the instructions on when to expect the actual delivery to come to your door as well.
Time to brush your teeth. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Good boy. A little bit more. Good boy.
So I got everything situated here for you guys.
That's yours.
So what's going to happen is the nice benefit here as well.
He sneezes from it usually.
As soon as you stay with us for 90 days,
you want to get it?